So today on the channel, we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone SE, and I got it in the product red color, which I love. It's actually one of the main reasons I got the phone to begin with. Starting with the box itself, it's a pretty traditional iPhone Apple product looking box with the white background, a lot of blank space, and then the trademark font that they use, and then the rendered image of the product inside the box, with some specs on the back and then some, IMEI information. I got the 64 gig. Again, I'm just going to be using this as kind of like an iPod, not as a daily driver. But I got it from T-Mobile, but it's unlocked. All the variants are pretty much the same. It's not like a Samsung phone where you get the carrier bloatware. Apple pretty much charges them to not, or pays them to not put that bloatware in there. So let's start with unboxing this, and then we'll get more into the phone itself. So as always, there's that traditional flap that you see right here. So just tear it apart like this, and yes, that sound is very pleasant as always. Move that to the side. It's already slipping off. If I hold it like this, see it's slipping off already. All right. And then you got the whole manual thing here, little product red label, and partnership talking about how it's going to be donating for AIDS. I heard it's supposed to be for COVID now, so I think either one is a good cause. So put that to the side. And then the welcome to iPhone kind of specifications about the phone itself. You got the rocker, volume rocker, the switch, wireless charging, the lightning connector, the power button, side button, touch ID, all that stuff. Pretty much anyone who has ever had an iPhone in the past 10 years already knows. They don't even need to look at that. And then you got the decals or stickers, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if anyone actually uses these. I'm not an Apple fan or an avid Apple fan, so I definitely won't be marketing my products with this. And then I guess this is probably just like a warranty information manual thing. And then this is obviously the SIM ejector tool. I'm probably going to need that, so put that to the side. All right, well, that's it for that stuff. And then now we have the phone itself, again, in all its traditional flap glory. Makes it easier to pick up the phone. Samsung doesn't really do that as much. I kind of wish they did. Oh man, okay, this is pretty pleasant to look at in person. Yeah, I don't have a case for it yet, but hoping to get one. I mean, since it's not my daily driver, I don't really care, but just look at that. I mean, I love how all the iPhones now have a black bezel. I remember back in the iPhone 7, 8 days, if it was it would only be black on the front if it was black on the back. Otherwise, it'd be white. Even the first product red they did, I don't remember which one it was for. I think it was a 7. They had it red on the back like this, but then white on the front. And a bunch of tech geeks online and reviewers, they kind of spited Apple for that, and they had to create their own do-it-yourself project to get this to be black. Now Apple's they're good at paying attention to what their customer base wants and needs, so we have this. And then we have the plastic on the back and the front. I'll get to that a little bit later. And then we have our charger. It's a standard Apple brick. It's not the fast charging one. Obviously, they just started doing that with their newer models, the 11 and the 10s. So probably see that later on down the road, but not on the SE, not on a budget phone like this. And then you have the AirPods, not AirPods, but earpods. I'm not even going to open them because I'm not going to use them. And then a standard, I don't even know how long, it's probably 3 feet, lightning port cable. I will have to use this. I think I have one of these bricks, so I won't need that. And that's about it for the box. And then here's the phone itself. Let's turn it on just to make sure it works. And it does. Apple's not known for great boot up times. Might be a while, but dang. The product logo, I like that. It's really nice. Product red. Single lens. Haven't seen that in a while. The volume rockers over here. And then the switch. I like this switch. On Android, I think OnePlus is the only one I've seen do that. But I hope more implement it soon. Oh man, this is so tiny compared to my Pixel 4 XL, which is my daily driver. But yeah, this is the iPhone SE 2020, 813 Bionic chip, and 3 gigs of RAM, pretty much a 720p screen, and that's basically all you get. You have stereo speakers, IP67 water resistance, wireless charging, thank goodness, an upgraded camera somewhat, but the biggest difference you're going to see is in the performance. So the next video will most likely be my impressions video, and hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. Who doesn't like a nice unboxing? And to end up and wrap up this video, I am going to peel off the plastic just for that satisfying sound. Boom. Talk to you guys in the next one.